It's time to wake up your body and set the tone for an incredible day ahead. Today, we're diving into a soothing and powerful stretch sequence to release tension in your spine, hips, and shoulders. Feeling stiff from sleeping or dealing with lingering tension in your upper and lower body? This routine is for you. Whether it's desk work, stress, or just need to energize, this 5-minute flow will leave you feeling refreshed and balanced. You don't need any equipment, just a mat or a soft surface to stretch on. Your living room, bedroom, or even out in the fresh morning air. This sequence fits anywhere you need it. In just 5 minutes, we'll loosen up your spine and lock tight hips and gently stretch your shoulders. I promise that by the end of this routine, you'll feel lighter, more flexible, and ready to tackle the day with ease. Most people would give up and stay in bed by now, but not you. You're here, showing up, and that's everything. Let's hit the mat. Let's start with the classic cat-cow. Imagine this as a morning tune-up for your spine. Come onto all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and tilt your pelvis back to cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, taut your chin, and press through your hands for cat pose. Move fluidly for 1 minute, syncing breath with movement. This stretch improves spinal flexibility, relieves tension, and connects your breath to your body. I promise you'll feel your back loosen and your energy awaken with each movement. Beginners, keep the movement small and gentle. Advanced, hold each pose for a few seconds longer to deepen the stretch. Let's flow into a kneeling position and open up the chest. Now let's open your heart and stretch those shoulders with kneeling chest opener. From a kneeling position, interlace your fingers behind your back. Inhale as you press your hands down and lift your chest toward the sky. Pull your shoulders back and hold for a moment as you breathe deeply. This stretch counteracts the effects of slouching and relieves tension in your chest and shoulders. I promise you'll feel more open, upright, and confident. If clasping your hands is challenging, grab a towel or strap behind your back for support. For a deeper stretch, gently lift your hands higher. Now let's activate your spine and hips with low lunge twists. Time to lengthen and energize your hips and spine with a dynamic low lunge twist. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, keeping your left knee grounded. Place your left hand on the mat, and as you exhale, lift your right arm toward the sky, twisting through your torso. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Left foot forward, right hand grounded, and twist your left arm up. This stretch improves spinal mobility, opens tight hips, and lengthens your side body. I promise by the end, you'll feel lighter and more aligned. If twisting feels too intense, keep your lifted hand on your hip for a smaller rotation. Want to go deeper? Lift your back knee off the mat. Now let's stand up and stretch those legs and spine with wide stance toe touches. Let's ground ourselves with a wide flowing stretch for your hamstrings and lower back. Stand with your feet wide apart. Inhale as you reach up and exhale as you fold forward, reaching for your right foot. Come back to center, then reach for your left foot. Keep alternating, feeling the stretch through your legs and spine. This stretch increases flexibility in your hamstrings, lengthens your back, and promotes balance. I promise you feel grounded and recharged by the end. Beginners, keep a slight bend in your knees. Advanced, try to touch the floor with both hands for a deeper stretch. Finally, let's add some side body length with standing side bends. Let's finish with a soothing movement to stretch and energize your side body. Stand tall and reach your right arm overhead. Inhale, and as you exhale, gently bend to the left, feeling the stretch from your hip to your fingertips. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. The stretch improves flexibility in your side body, relieves tension, and promotes alignment. I promise by the end, you'll feel lighter and more relaxed. Keep the bend small if you're a beginner. Advanced, reach your free hand toward the opposite side for a deeper stretch. Take a deep breath, come back to center, and stand tall to close out our session. Great job, fam! In just 5 minutes, you've loosened up your spine, opened up your hips, and stretched your shoulders. That's how you take care of yourself and start the day strong. Most people would skip this step, but you've shown up and done the work. Just by being here, you've already won the day. Before you leave, anytime you see that notification bell go off, just press play and invite your friends to join the fam. Movement is always better together. Oh, and don't forget to grab your free gift in the description. It's a surprise that will help you level up your journey in the new year. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.